Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2017 Chevrolet Corvette Z06 with the Z07 package in Arctic white on black leather interior. So I'll just start over at the trunk area for you. We'll let you have a look. So this one actually comes with the dual roof. So it's got two roofs. So there's the solid color that's placed in the trunk right now. And up here, there's a car cover there that comes with it that's in a bag. And if we pull the roof up here, there's another goodie, looks like a mat that's there on the trunk as well, still in the GM box. We also have the net that's there as well. And it looks like there's actually a carpet in here because down in this corner here, there is storage underneath. So it's got another mat with rubber lining on the bottom. Very cool. Down on the bottom, we've got some extra oil, and we also have the Corvette charger there as well. So that's great. So we'll just close all this up. Perfect. And we'll close the trunk. The trunk is soft close, so there it is. It pulls itself shut. We've got the stage 3 wing there on the back with the center clear piece here, as well as the side fins, which is great. We've got the clear Z06 taillights. We've got the quad tip NPP performance exhaust down on the bottom. We also have the carbon flash rear lower part of the bumper that accents great against the Arctic white. And we have the black badge package on this one as well. So we'll shift around here. Here's your rear wheel. So nice chrome wheel. We've got Michelin tires on there and the carbon ceramic brakes with red calipers. So over at the passenger side, we've got deviated stitching or baseball stitching along the door. We've got the 10 speaker Bose stereo. We've got power locks, power windows, electronic door release. There's your Corvette kick plate. A few little minor scratches on it, but we haven't polished it yet, so we'll do our best with that for you. And we also have the exposed carbon fiber side skirts along the bottom as well. We've got the nice Z06 mat there. And here's your power seat. So power fore, aft, up, down, recline, and lumbar and side bolster adjustment. And I'll just go ahead and scan up the seat so you can see the condition. Looks great. And I'll just bend down a bit so you can see there's your clear or transparent or glass roof, as they call it. Looks great. And as I get in, just have a look in the door frame. Nice and clean. And here we've got heated and cooled seats, outside temperature display, inside temp display, as well as temperature control here. Deviated or baseball stitching that runs along. We'll hit the glove box. We've got the oil filler tube. We've got the original books. They're all there. And have a look at the dash while we're on this side. And there is a sensor up there, which is a part of a kit, which I'll tell you about later. And we do have the Alcantara on the side bolster, or excuse me, the A-pillars here, which is a part of the 3LT package as well. So I'll just hop out, we'll close this side up. And I'll just start at the back of the car and we'll scan down this side. What a nice looking car. Looks great. And there's your Z06 supercharged logo with the carbon flash metallic. And here's your front wheel. So again, nice chrome wheels, red calipers, Z07 with the ceramic brakes, and nice Michelin tires. And there is 2 brand new tires that will be installed. They're on their way, so that the fronts will be brand new. Here we are under the hood. We've got the V8 6.2 liter engine, which is supercharged, 650 horsepower, 650 foot-pounds of torque. And that's paired to the 8-speed automatic transmission with paddle shifters. As you can see, it's nice and neat and clean under here. We have the dry sump oil system here in the corner. It's got the upgraded transmission and rear differential cooler. And that's about it. So again, we've got another module over there that goes with the system. And we'll just close this up and we'll have a look from the front. So here it is from the front. It's got the nice exposed carbon fiber front lip with the side pieces here, or side wings. They look great. There's the exposed carbon fiber. There's your front curved view camera. There's one of them. Here's the other guy on this side. And nice HID projector headlights with LED daytime running lights. And then we've got the carbon flash metallic hood insert there. And again, the black badge package. So just gonna have a look closely There's one little mark here, which is common on these. We'll touch that up. And outside of that, just looking closely to see if I can see any stone chips. I don't see anything to point out. Not to say there isn't one somewhere there, but it's pretty clean. I don't see anything there. So here's your other front wheel. You got nice chrome wheels, red calipers, Z07 with ceramic brakes and Michelin tires, and same thing back here. Awesome. So over at the driver's side, again, Bose stereo, power locks, power memory, so memory for 2 users, power seat, power steering, and power mirrors, power windows, electronic door release, deviated stitching that runs along. And here's your Corvette kick plate. A little bit of minor scuffing there, but again, we're going to polish it. So I think a lot of that will polish out, but just want to share that with you. That is what it's there for. So it's doing its job. So here's your power seat, power fore, aft, up, down, recline, side bolster, and lumbar adjustment. And I'll just scan up the seat so you can see the condition. Looks great. And as I get in, just have a look in the door frame. Nice and clean. And we'll get in, we'll fire this one up. There it is. All right, so in terms of kilometers, we have 6,218. No warning lights, no issues on the dash. Everything looks great there. On this side here, we've got our cruise control. We've got our favorites or track change button here. We've got the nice chrome Corvette logo there. Volume control on this side. We got the arrow keys. When we hit those, we get info, performance, audio, phone, nav, and options. So those are all controlled from those buttons there. We have Bluetooth and voice command control here. We've got the carbon fiber inlay with the Z06 logo there. On this side here, we've got our heads-up display control. So I don't know if you can see that, but on the steering, or sorry, on the windshield there, it displays your speed and some other information. You've got your mirror control here. Down below, we have the alarm on and off, trunk release, and inside here, there's your power tilt and telescopic steering wheel control. On this side, there's your push button start. We've got behind screen storage with USB. We'll close that up. Just going to turn this down, it's a little hot. So we've got audio. So audio is AM, FM, Sirius XM, Bluetooth streaming. We'll go back. We've got phone control. Projection is Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. NAV is full factory navigation. PDR, so that's a performance data recorder, so you can record your track times and things like that. You got text message, OnStar. We've got the front cameras, and there's your reverse camera. Move this out of the way. Here's your dual zone climate control with heated and cooled seats. And then we've got a controller here, and that is, it's a radar and laser radar detecting system is what it is. It was installed in a different province. So it is there. We're just sharing that with you. And we'll just put this in park. There's your 8-speed automatic shifter. Here's your mode selector. So as I twist that, we get sport, track, weather, eco, or touring. And beside that, your electronic parking brake. And let's see, we've got the cup holder here with your wheel lock key. So that's perfect. And we've got the 12-volt socket. And in the center, there's your 2 USB ports, your line in, and in here, we just have a 12-volt socket as well. So we'll just hop out with it running, have a look and listen. What a beast. And, oh, I turned off the headlights. So let me just turn those back on, and we'll have a look from the front with the headlights on. There it is from the front. Looks great with those headlights. Very sharp looking car. And we'll just scan down this side of the car for you. So you can see the condition, looks good. There it is from the back. So the exhaust is in track mode right now, so the dampers that are on there aren't open. So it's got a nice rumble to it. You can quiet it down a bit if you like by putting it in stealth mode. What a beast. And there you have it, folks. 2017 Chevrolet Corvette Z06 with the Z07 package here and available at MonroeMotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Look forward to seeing you real soon.